Question 9. I think question 9 is one of your hardest questions. And when you read through the whole question, read it twice. It says 3 times the number is 50 more than the number. Define the variable, write an equation, then solve. Now, the starting point to any one of these word problems has to be the word is. Is, who wants to raise their hand in here and tell me what the word is stand for? Don't overthink. Now, we'll be able to get bits and pieces of this question. It'll all fall into place. Jaden. Equals. Now, this will be my equal sign. All of this is in front. All of this is in back. 3 times the number. What's done with 3 times the number means? Don't overthink. It's way easier than you think. Devon. 3x. Last but not least, it says 50 more than the number. Now, I've already used my equality symbol up. More than is not a greater than sign. Who wants to tell me what does more than stand for? Don't overthink. Tanner. Add. 50 more than a number. Anything after the words more than, less than, to, and from goes first in the question. X plus 50. There's my problem that needs to be solved. 3x equals x plus 50. This one's way harder than the other, so relax, take your time. And if I go solve this, it always says solve them. 3x equals, now I'm going to put a 1x here, plus 50. How can I get rid of this 1x here? How do I get rid of that 1x? Tie. Minus 1x. Minus 1x, minus 1x. I'm going to get 2x equals 50. Last but not least, who can raise their hand and tell me 2 and x are next to each other? What does 2 and x next to each other mathematically mean? When a number and a letter are next to each other, Boyd, what does it mean? Multiply. What's the opposite of multiplying, Boyd? Divide. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X equals 25. Now, I didn't have to worry about that crazy situation of multiplying or dividing by the negative that I brought to the table to flip the sign. And anyway, if I flip an equal sign, it's still an equal sign. I don't have to worry. Question number 10. 9 less than 10 times the number is 1. Now, who can tell me the 2 easiest words in this question? Don't ever think math left to right. Think math easiest to hardest. Akema. Close. I'm going to take that as the second easiest thing. But I usually have my starting point a little weird. That's just how I work. Shaylee. Is 1 equals 1. 9 less than 10 times the number. Since I've already used up my equality symbol or my inequality symbol, I have my equal sign. Less than means subtract. 10 times the number, that's after the word less than goes first. 10x minus 9. 10x minus 9 equals 1. There's my equation. Oh, they gave me one that's straight up easy here. Always, when you do your work, 10x minus 9 equals 1. I make you rewrite it so you can show your work. My thinking has to start by x. I want to undo minus 9. Who wants to tell me how to undo minus 9? Emma.
Plus 9.
Plus 9. 10x equals 10. Don't look at this number, you're not allowed to. Divide by 10 on each side. X equals 1. Last question in this section, concert. At a concert, you purchase 3 t-shirts and a concert program for $90. The program cost you $15. How much did each shirt cost? Solve the problem by writing and solving an equation. Okay, how much total money did you spend? 90 equals 90. How many t-shirts did you buy? Do we know how much each shirt is? No, call it 3x. How much is the program? Plus 15. Now, if anybody's been to a concert recently, it's crazy. My daughter bought a One Direction shirt. It was like $45. That's crazy. That don't make sense to me. 3x plus 15 equals 90. I'm going to go over here and show my work. 3x plus 15 equals 90. What's the first part I need to get rid of? First part I need to get rid of, Josh. minus 15 on each side. A plus, now, here's the part I want you to learn. A plus 15 minus 15 actually equals what sum? If I add positive 15, negative 15, or plus 15 minus 15, what do I get? Boyd, 0. And if I add 0 as a quantity, it doesn't change my value. I go 3x equals 75. How much do I divide each side by? 3. Well, that's a steal. Each shirt, $25. Each shirt's $25.